In this tutorial, we will guide you through your first experiment with Arduino Uno. In this experiment, you will learn how to control the LED using the digital pin of the Arduino. These are the following materials needed: Arduino Uno board and USB cable. LED stands for light-emitting diode. These are electronic components that emit light when an electric current passes through them. They come in different colors and are commonly used as indicator. Resistor. It is used to limit the amount of current flowing through the LED, preventing it from burning out. Breadboard. It is used for prototyping and testing electronic circuits that allow you to connect electronic components without soldering. It consists of a grid of holes where you can insert wires and components. Jumper wires are electrical wires with connectors at each end, used to create temporary connection between electronic components on a breadboard. Now let's do the placement and connection of the components in the breadboard. LED has typically two pins, one longer than the other. The longer pin is the positive or anode LED, while the shorter pin is the negative or cathode LED. Connect the shorter leg or cathode of the LED to one end of the resistor. Connect the other side of the resistor to the negative terminal of the breadboard. Connect the longer leg or anode of the LED to digital pin 13 on the Arduino Uno board. Connect the negative terminal of the breadboard to any of the ground pins in the Arduino Uno. Make sure the connections are secure and properly inserted. Now, we can connect the Arduino Uno board to your computer using a USB cable. Now, let's open the Arduino IDE on your computer. Select the board and COM port of the Arduino Uno. Inside the Arduino sketch, there is two fundamental components, the setup and loop function. The setup function is called once when the Arduino board is powered on or reset. It is where you set up the initial state of the hardware and define any necessary configurations before the main code execution begins. In this example, the pin mode function set digital pin 13 as an output, preparing it for use in the main code. After the setup function, the loop function runs continuously for the duration of the board's operation. It contains the main code that defines the behavior of the Arduino board. In this example, the LED is turned on by setting the pin 13 to high using the digital write function. And then, a 1-second delay is initiated using the delay function. After that, the LED is turned off by setting pin 13 to low using digital write function, followed by another 1-second delay and continue to be executed repeatedly. Using the verify button in the Arduino IDE, it is used to compile the code and check for any errors without uploading it to the Arduino board. When you click the verify button, the IDE checks the syntax of the code and looks for any errors that will prevent the code from running properly on the Arduino board. If there are any errors, the IDE will display them in the message window at the bottom of the screen. If there is no error, we can now click the upload button. It is used to compile the code and upload it to the Arduino board. Once the code is uploaded, the LED connected to digital pin 13 will start blinking. The LED will turn on for 1 second and turn off for 1 second repeatedly. This example demonstrates how to use the Arduino Uno's digital output to control an external LED. The pin mode function is used to set pin 13 as an output. The digital write function is used to turn the LED on and off, and the delay function is used to pause the program for a specified amount of time in milliseconds. After this tutorial, try the following challenges to improve your skills and understanding of what you learned. Change the blinking speed by modifying the delay time. add multiple LEDs by expanding the circuit to add more LEDs and modify the code by adding more pins as output and control each LED.